What's up, YouTube and everyone watching this video? In this video, I'm going over Instagram story template apps. You know, if you're new to my channel, I make a lot of different types of business tutorials, business advice, personal branding, personal development. So if you like that type of stuff, definitely click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my weekly videos that I put out. And I'm gonna jump into this and show you a quick tutorial on the apps that I'm using that are the templates, but also I want you to also know I have other tutorial on those apps that really go deep into it. So with those apps, I'm going to link them down below in the description. I'll also, as I'm going through the tutorial and I speak about them, I'll link them up in the top right corner so that you could click on them and actually see the step-by-step tutorial on how to actually use those. So right now what I'm gonna do is we're going to jump into my computer screen where I'm going to share my phone and show you the Instagram story template apps that I'm using. Okay, so the first Instagram template that I'm going to show you, the app I'm going to use is called Canva. If you want to work from a desktop or your laptop, you could do it from there. But I'm going to show you Canva. You use the same login info if you have the one on your desktop or browser to get into the app, and it's that Canva right here, that C. Let's open it up and we'll create a new. And this is all free. We'll create a new template. So you can see once you're in Canva and you add to make a new template, you'll see all the different templates up here. And obviously we're talking about Instagram story templates. This app right here, you could just pick this Instagram story and that's a template. It's automatically going to show you the different layouts. You could start with a blank layout if you wanted to create your own, and you could add different text and fonts. And again, I'm going to put a link down below showing you how to use Canva, like even more in depth, so you could watch that tutorial as well. But I'm just going to breeze through this so you can see the different types of templates, and then we'll pick one. So these are already template, they're already made, and you're just going to swap in and out pictures. So let's say we pick this one. This is what we choose. All we have to do is tap on something to edit it. So let's say I want to change that picture to that. Let's say I want to change that picture to that. If I wanted to switch around this text, I could even choose a different font. Let's say I wanted to put this font and I want to write something else. I'll make the size a little bigger. And let's say I'll put YouTube tutorial. And again, these are all templated. All you have to do is click, make things bigger. If I wanted to change that, I could actually get rid of it if I want to, if I just slide this over. If I wanted to leave it, but I wanted to use my brand colors, I could just, change the colors around. I could move this around to somewhere else, and let's say I wanted to get rid of that, I could if I want, or I could leave it there and I could choose a different color, make it bigger. So you see, these are already templates, you're just swapping out the info on them. And again, there's so many of them. You'll see there's so many different ones that are already created. They're really catchy, they're really nice. If you have a brand or you're trying to just make catchy stories like this one, I'm sure you see these type of things, this or that, spring edition, we can actually just edit this and make it our own. So this is called Canva. Again, I'll leave a more detailed tutorial if you want to use it from your web browser down below, but it's really simple. The more you use it, the better you'll get at. And that's the Canva app. Definitely one of my favorite apps for Instagram stories. Again, because these templates, they're already created and you just got to swap things out. Very easy to use. And now we'll jump into the next app. So my second favorite app for Instagram stories, and I have a few videos already out there. If you follow me, you might have saw these. And again, I'm going to link up to the right. It's the Unfold app, and I'm going to show you how to actually use the Unfold app real quick. But if you want detailed tutorial, like step by step, I'm going to link that up to the right and also put it in the description down below because I have a long tutorial on it. But I'm going to show you real quick. It's Unfold right here, bottom left. We'll open it up. And this is actually something that I created, but we're going to create a new one. See, these are the templates right here. Once you open Unfold, we'll start fresh. You'd hit plus. You're going to name it. I'm going to name it YouTube tutorial. Create. Now it starts fresh like this. You hit the plus button down at the bottom and you're going to see all the Canvas templates that you can use. So these are all Instagram story sized. So let's say I wanted to put 3 pictures. I can now just go right here, pick that picture, pick this picture, and then I'll also pick this video. And I'll select those 3. And it's going to take a little time to load. Again, the full tutorial in depth for this Unfold app is down below. Okay, so they loaded in and you could see I could adjust these by pinching my fingers, you know, making them bigger, pulling them down where I want. The bottom one's a video. Again, so this one will actually play as a video. So you could zoom in and out on each picture. You could put videos, stack them, and that's just one canvas, you know, that you could just keep creating different stories. Tutorial 2, create, and plus, we could do this template if we want. Let's see what else we have here. If we wanted 2 photos or 2 videos. Again, there's a lot. There's also paid ones as you go through, but there's enough free ones that you really don't even need to use the paid ones. So this is a free app. Everything I'm showing you is free. So this is another Instagram story template. This is my second favorite one. Canva is number 1. This one, those 2 I use a lot. And then I'm going to show you one more that you can use, and we'll jump into that. The last Instagram story template app that I use is this one up the top right called InShot, and we'll open that. And right when you get to here, you can click on video. I use this a lot for videos. You could make collages and images, but I use this a lot for my videos, and I'll show you why. So I'm going to click on video. Let's say I like this video right here. It's going to load it in. I want to go now and click canvas down to the bottom left, and I want to pick the Instagram story canvas, which is 916, so it fits like that. I'm going to click the check mark, and now I can edit in here. I can add stickers if I want. Let's just say I wanted to add a sticker, 100. I can move it around. And again, I have another tutorial that shows you step by step exactly how to use InShot. And you can see that. I'll leave that in the description down below. I'll also link it in the top right corner right now so you can click on it. It's an InShot tutorial how to use this app because there's some cool things you can do. You can add music, you can add text, but I just want to show you these are templates that you can use for all your Instagram stories. Again, it's Canva is one of the apps. This is InShot and also Unfold. Those 3 apps, you can make incredible Instagram stories. You can do make different effects on them, and they're really good apps. So I hope that helps. Again, tutorials that go more in depth, I'm going to leave down below. And again, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. All right, so I hope that was helpful. Again, all the tutorials to how to use those apps, I'm linking them down below as well in the description so you can watch those. And if you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments. Again, if you like this type of business advice, tutorials over the shoulder, that type of stuff, subscribe, click the bell icon, like this info, and also share the video if you think it could help anyone out that you know. And I'll see you in the next video.